In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion support services. We'll walk through finding Notion using Google, opening the official site, logging in safely, and then resizing a table once you're inside your workspace. I'll keep things simple and add a few tips so you feel confident at every click. First, open any web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type the word Notion and press Enter. You should see the official result near the top. It's typically labeled with Notion's branding and a clear description highlighting it as an AI-powered workspace. As a quick safety tip, make sure you're selecting the authentic result from the official Notion website. Looking for a familiar logo and a secure connection indicator in your browser can help you avoid lookalike pages. Click the search result that reads something like Notion, the AI workspace that works for you. This takes you to Notion's homepage. Give the page a second to load, and take a brief moment to confirm you're on the right site by checking the branding and overall design. Everything should look clean, minimal, and professional. Next, find the Login button, usually located at the top right. Click Login, and choose the sign-in method you normally use with Notion, such as your work or personal account. Complete any authentication prompts you see. If you use two-factor authentication, have your verification method ready. If you're prompted to pick a workspace, select the one you want to work in. And remember, for security, never share your password or codes with anyone. Once you're signed in and viewing a page that contains a table, it's time to resize it. Move your mouse to the header area of the table and hover over the line between two column headers. When your cursor changes to a horizontal resize indicator, click and drag left or right to adjust that column's width. Release the mouse when the content looks comfortably readable. If you shrink a column too much and text gets cut off, just drag it a bit wider. You can repeat this for any column to make key information stand out. If you make a change you don't like, use Undo with your keyboard to step back. And if your table feels cramped, try maximizing your browser window to give the layout more room. That's it. You searched for Notion with Google, opened the official site, logged in securely, and resized a table for better readability. Pause and replay any section as needed, and you'll master these steps in no time.